The deep squat. Most people don't realize it's one of the hidden secrets to staying youthful. Many skip it without a second thought. But this simple, primal movement, when practiced regularly and with clean form, might be the most underrated way to stay mobile, energetic, and pain-free. Imagine this for a moment. Picture a little kid playing. They effortlessly drop into a deep squat to grab something off the ground. It's automatic. It's built into how our bodies were designed to move. But as the years pass, we slowly lose that natural pattern. By the time someone hits their 40s, 50s, or 60s, they've often stopped squatting entirely. My knees hurt. My hips feel locked. But here's the real culprit. We've become too inactive. Endless hours of sitting, bending over screens, and skipping lower body training have weakened the muscles that keep us strong and mobile. Here's the reality. The squat itself isn't the enemy. Losing the ability to squat, that's when problems begin. But here's the good part. The deep squat can restore what you've lost. When done right, it fires up your glutes, quads, hamstrings, calves, and core. It loosens stiff hips, knees, and ankles. It gets your spine moving again. It boosts your control, coordination, and stability, all wrapped into one raw, powerful movement. This is why many people call it the ultimate anti-aging exercise. Deep squats help you regain full joint mobility in the hips, knees, and ankles. That means smoother motion, more comfort while sitting, and less everyday stiffness. You're training nearly half your body in one motion, slowing age-related muscle loss. They sharpen your balance and coordination, reducing the chance of falls, a major concern as we get older. Forget the rumor that squats destroy your knees. When done properly, they actually strengthen the muscles around your joints, improving stability. Squats also reinforce your core, supporting your spine and fighting that slouched, rounded posture that sneaks up over time. Even sitting in a deep squat for 30 seconds boosts blood flow to your lower body, improves circulation, and can even help digestion by relieving pressure in your midsection. Think of it like brushing your teeth, but for your joints and muscles. Skip it for a few days and you'll feel the difference. Skip it for years and you'll lose mobility. But make it a daily habit. You'll move smoother, feel younger, and age with resilience. The deep squat isn't just an exercise, it's a blueprint for aging strong. And yet, most people overlook it. Don't be one of them. Bring the squat back. Bring your strength back. And grow older the way nature intended, upright, powerful, and unstoppable.